Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, so right now I only have 22 students with me, so we are going to wait for the others. And while waiting for your friend, could you please turning on your camera? Because no one turning on the camera right now. Okay, thank you, Sabrina. I'm still waiting for the others. Thank you, Fatan, and also Natasha. How about that? Okay, thank you, Nadella, Anissa. Thank you, Aulia, Dayang. Thank you very much for turning on the camera. How about the others? Okay, Marta, thank you. Oh, Natasha. Okay. Masayu, thank you very much. Okay, I'm still waiting for the other, please. So right now, there are 25 students who has already joined our class. If you have any problem with your connection, please let me know. So please give confirmation by saying it directly or just write it down in your chat box, please. Nih, Adi sambil makan ini, belum selesai. That's okay, you can continue having your lunch. Okay, thank you, Mila. Satrio, I'm still waiting for the other. Could you please turning on your camera?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Haider.
My connection is unstable, so I maybe cannot turn on the camera. Can I?
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's okay. So if you cannot turn on your camera, please let me know, just like what Hadiar have already done before. Okay, thank you, Iqbal. Still waiting for Arvina, Helda, Fahad, Faras. Oh, Faras join 2. Marcel?
Saya
Mila?
izin karena vaksin.
Who? Could you please say your name? Yang lagi vaksin tadi siapa?
Terus, Bu,
Oh, Faras sambil vaksin ini.
sambil vaksin.
Oh ya, oke Faras. Kamu vaksin di mana?
Oh, Jajar, Bu.
Oh, Jajar sini, oke. So ini Elda, oke. Oke, Elda. And how about Marcel, Nabila, Noval, Reonald? Yeah, okay, Elda, that's okay. That's okay, Elda. Your friend has already told me that you are on the way from Gresik ya. Nabila, okay, yes, I got your confirmation. Okay, so it seems that everyone has already turning on the camera and we still wait for some of your friends who are not join the Webex. So the one who has already confirmed to me not coming to the class is only siapa? Fajabrian, Alex. Only one student said that there is a family business, and the others there is no confirmation. So we're gonna have to wait until 38 students come. Okay. While waiting for your friend, so let me greet you first. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
How about the others? Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Are you still there?
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
All right. So this is our first meeting for English class. Jadi walaupun saya wali kelas, I am also your English teacher here. So let me introduce myself because this is the first time for me to teach you in English class. So just like you know, my name is Larasati. You can call me Bu Laras or Mrs. Laras. And the English subject will be taught by 2 teachers. So it will be Pak Andre and also me. If you go with Pak Andre in the morning session, you are going to go with me in the afternoon session. So we are not going to see each other in the classroom, but we are going to see each other in the WebEx. This is the first rule that we have in the WebEx, is that you're gonna have to turning on the camera. So when you come to the WebEx, could you please turning on your camera? Because I'm going to see you if you turning on the camera. If there is a problem with your connection, or it's a problem with, if there is a problem with your laptop, you're gonna have to give me the confirmation. You can say it directly or just text me in the chat box, just like what your friend have already done before. Okay. All right. So this is also happened when Bu Pasha told me that when Bu Pasha was teaching in the classroom, and then no one turning on. Some of you some of you do not turning on the camera, and also when Bu Pasha call your name, you didn't give any response for the one in the WebEx. Tadi kata Bu Pasha gitu. It will be happen also to me. Kalau misalnya I'm checking the attendance list, kemudian there is no answer, there is no response from you, I'm going to call you 3 times. Kalau misalnya nggak ada yang jawab, ya terpaksa harus saya alpa. I'm going to show you siakatnya Bapak Ibu Guru untuk presensi supaya kamu tahu gimana kalau misalnya kalian tidak ada di kelas, kemudian nanti bagaimana sistemnya. Karena seperti yang kamu tahu, 2 atau 3 kali atau 3 jam pelajaran kamu tidak ada dalam satu hari, itu sudah dianggap alpha. So let me share wait a second. So I'm going to show you the attendance list for the teacher. Ini buat checklist for the students attendance. Nah, so like this. Wait a second ya. Okay, so I'm going to call your name and you're gonna see that. Okay, so this is the siakat from for teacher, and here we are going to checklist whether you come or not in the WebEx and also in the class. So for example here, I'm going to call and you're gonna have to say something ya. Alif Gayu. Alif Gayu, are you there? The last call, Alif Gayu. Okay. Arbi. Tadi katanya Arbi kenapa? Wait a second. Masih mengurus rekening bank. Okay. Okay, thank you. And then how about Arvina? Arvina Devi?
Hadir, Bu.
Okay, Aulia Nurhana?
Hadir, Bu.
Okay, Dava Anissa?
Hadir, Bu.
Dani Fatihul? Dani? Dani Fatihul? Dayang?
Hadir, Bu.
Elda? Sambil jalan. Oh, masuk ya tapi Elda. Sambil di jalan, nggak bisa nyalain kamera. Oke, thank you Elda. Axel izin. Fahareza?
Hadir, Bu.
Faras? Sambil vaksin tapi hadir ya. Farel?
Tidak hadir. Hadir, Bu. Tidak hadir.
Fatan?
Hadir, Bu.
Fatan Akbar? Fatan Akbar? Fatan Akbar Pratomo? Fauzan Laksana? Fauzan Laksana Muhammad? Fauzan Laksana Muhammad? Fauzan? Haidar Ali, are you still there?
Yes, ma'am.
Lucky Dio?
Hadir, Bu.
Marshall? Marcel? Marcel Dharma? Marta? Marta? Oke, suaranya kecil sekali Marta. Mas Ayu?
Hadir, Bu.
Mila?
Hadir.
Iqbal?
Hadir, Bu.
Gesang?
Hadir, Bu.
Satrio?
Hadir, Bu.
Nabila Dwi?
Hadir, Bu.
Nadela?
Hadir, Bu.
Natasha? Natasha,
Bu.
Adelia. Oke. Natania,
Hadir.
Neka,
Hadir, Bu.
Noval Rehan,
Hadir, Bu.
Novaldi Anjas,
Hadir, Bu.
Raira,
Hadir, Bu.
Rajendra,
Order. Hadir.
Oke. Ravindo,
Hadir, Bu.
Reonald,
Hadir, Bu.
Rido Putra, Rido Putra Bintoro, Rido Putra Bintoro, Sabrina Amelia,
Hadir, Bu.
Sofia Iza,
Hadir, Bu.
Wina.
Hadir, Bu.
Oke, ada yang belum saya panggil? Oke, so everyone has already called ya. Okay, so I'm going to stop sharing also. So when your teacher call you and then there is no response, they're gonna do just like what I have already done before. So they're gonna change, bisa dirubah dari yang tadinya hadir menjadi tidak hadir. Jadi please, even you turning off the camera, you're gonna have to respond because we are in the classroom. Jadi katanya Bu Pasya, saya panggil-panggil nggak ada yang jawab, ada beberapa siswa nggak jawab, ya sudah saya anggap alpa. Jadi Bu Pasya bilang gitu ke saya. Sama, it also happened to me. So if you are not here, even you have already say something when I check your attendance list, and then when I call your name during the class, and then there is no response, and there is no confirmation, it means that you are not in the classroom, okay? So you're gonna have to know that. All right. Right now, we are in the English class. So what we are going to do is that we are going to try to improve the speaking, the skills, the English skills that you have, okay? So as you know that English has 4 skills. The first is reading, and then you have writing, listening, and speaking. Maybe in the 11th grade, if I'm mistaken, Bu Jevi has already teach you a lot about grammar. So you have practiced a lot about grammar, and now it's time to you to apply that. So you have already know about the grammar, and then now it's time to you to use your knowledge before, okay? And then what we are going to enhance in this semester is that we are going to improve the speaking and also writing skills, so the productive skills that you have. Because this is the first time, biasanya itu kalau pertemuan pertama itu identik sama yang namanya self introduction. Yeah, we're gonna do also the self introduction, but I'm not going to ask you to speak one by one about your name, your call name or your nickname, and then where do you live, where do you come from, and also what is your hobby. Not only that, we are going to do something more advanced. Jadi agak lebih tinggi dikit. Jadi kalau yang namanya self introduction tuh nggak melulu cuma menyebutkan nama, asalnya dari mana, sama hobinya apa. But there are a lot of things that you can use as the as the personal information that you may share to your friend. And right now, I'm going to give you the worksheet. Okay, I'm going to give the worksheet in the group WA group. Saya akan kirim ke WA group. Then what you gonna have to do is that you gonna have to download it. Silahkan di-download, kemudian open it. Setelah kamu buka, and then fill all the questions there. Jadi silahkan diisi based on yourself. Jadi bukan tentang orang lain, tapi tentang dirimu sendiri. After that, we are going to have your presentation about the result of your work, okay? So now you are going to do writing first, and then later you're going to have to speak. I'm going to give you some revision. We are going to revise what is our mistake. So for example, there is a mistake in grammar or maybe how we pronounce it, and I'm going to revise it later. Okay, so you can open your WhatsApp 12 RPL 7. Okay, so here I'm going to give you the worksheet. Okay, I have already sent it to WA group. You can open. Have you already got it? Sudah ada? Sudah? Have you already got the worksheet?
Sudah,
Yes,
Bu.
ma'am.
All right, that's good. So right now, just download it and then open it and then do it. Later, okay, so saya anggap sekarang jam 12.50. So you're gonna have to finish it at 1 o'clock. Jadi jam 1 semuanya sudah selesai. And then we are going to start to present the result of your work. Natania, okay. I'm going to check. Okay, Nathan, Nia. Natania. Oke, sudah. So if you have any question during doing the worksheet, you can ask the questions directly, ya. Don't wait until we finish it. If you have already finished, name your worksheet into the file name format. I'm going to send it in your WhatsApp group. So I have already sent the file name format for your file. So you can upload it with a Word document or you can change it into PDF. Just what you want. And also I'm going to provide the link to submit it. So remember when you finish, rename the file name. Kemudian jangan lupa upload in the link that I have already give you. I have already provided in your WA group. Oh, Raira masih di jalan. Oke, Raira, I have already read your confirmation. Raira. Marcel, are you there, Marcel? 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 Okay. So I called your name before, but no answer. Okay, right now you are coming. Okay, Marcel, thank you. Fatan, are you there? Ini yang belum absen, Fatan Akbar. Fatan Akbar. Fauzan, are you there, Fauzan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so Fauzan is already coming also. Dani, how about Dani? Is there any news from Dani? Oke, nggak ada. Oke. I'm going to take your picture, guys. Hmm? Okay, 5 minutes more. Okay, 5 more minutes. If you finish, you can upload it. So let me check. Okay, one student has already finished. How about the others? Okay, 2 minutes more. 2 menit lagi. Okay, I have some students who has already submit the work here. Okay, 1 more minute, 1 menit lagi. Okay, Alda. That's okay, Alda. Okay, time is up. That's okay. You can still working, continue working, but for those who has already finished, so is anyone want to be the volunteer to present the result of your work, please? Silakan yang sudah selesai. Is anyone want to be the volunteer? Present the result of your work. Di sini ada beberapa yang sudah submit. Aulia, Dayang, Marta, Satrio, Nadela, Revindo, and Sabrina. Who gonna be the first volunteer? Come on, please. I will give you the score if you speak. Not only write, but also you speak. So please. Who gonna be the first? Come on, everyone. Just like what I've said before, we are going to learn together. So after you finish the presentation, I'm going to give I'm going to revise it to some mistake, for example, in grammar or the way you pronounce it. Okay, who gonna be the first? Okay, let me call then. Let me have Sabrina. Sabrina, are you still there?
Yes, ma'am.
Sabrina.
Okay.
Okay, Sabrina. Okay. Share the content, yeah?
Okay, ma'am.
Your work. Mhm.
Permisi Bu, apa mungkin sudah muncul?
Sudah, I have already seen that.
Okay. Everyone, in this opportunity, please allow me to introduce myself. Okay.
Mhm.
My name is Sabrina Amelia Royantika Putri, and all of you can call me Sabrina or maybe Brina. I'm from Indonesia, and right now I live in Tulungagung. My birthday is on 10th July. I'm a student. I study at SMK Telkom Malang. Right now I'm single.
Mhm. Okay.
There are 5 people in my family. They are my father, my mother, me, and also my 2 little sisters. My father is an entrepreneur and my mother is a housewife. My hobby is reading novel. My favorite sport is swimming. And in my free time, I also like to write short story and maybe I also like cooking.
Mhm.
I don't like cheese. And my favorite food is fried rice. My favorite drink is mango juice. My favorite day of the week is Saturday because I can me time in Saturday. My favorite month is July because it's my birthday month. My favorite singer or band is Rosa. I like romance movies. My favorite place is my bedroom. I like it because cozy. I like traveling. The most beautiful place in my country is, I think, Ora Beach. I study English because it's very important in the future. Thank you, everyone.
Okay, thank you very much, Sabrina. Do not stop first ya, jangan di stop dulu. So
Okay.
here, I thought that your English, I mean that you pronounce English is very well. Your pronunciation is already good, but
Thank
here
you.
you're gonna have to make some revision in the word. Okay, that one. They are my father, my mother, my two little sisters, not and me, but it should be an I. Me is
Okay.
only used for the object.
Okay,
Okay?
ma'am. Thank
Kalau
you.
kamu bilang misalnya, kamu memberi saya, you give me. Tapi kalau this one, itu di belakang, harus di belakang, nggak boleh di
Oh,
depan.
yeah.
Jadi biasakan kalau ada beberapa orang, letakkan kita yang menyebutkan itu di belakang. Jadi for example, my brother, my sister, and I gitu bilangnya. Atau my teacher, my principal, and I. I itu letaknya di belakang. Tadi disebutkan benar, tapi di situ belum tertulis. My father is an entrepreneur and my mother is a housewife. Padahal tadi benar disebut sama Sabrina tadi. And also the last one is that my favorite day of the week is Saturday because I can have my me time. Atau yaitu I can have my day. Alright, so everything has already. Oh, this one, the last one. My favorite place is my bathroom. I like it because it's-nya lupa. Kayak tadi di it's my birthday month, yang ini juga because it's pakai S ya, apostrofi S pakai peti S, it's cozy. Okay, Sabrina, it is a very
Okay.
good presentation. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank
Who
you,
gonna be the
ma'am.
next? Yes, you're welcome. Who gonna be the next, please? Okay, Marta. I have already read your permission. All right, so who gonna be the next after Sabrina? Maybe the boy, please. Siapa ini? The boy who gonna present your work? Siapa? Don't wait until someone call you. Come on, guys. Siapa ini? The boy. We have a lot of boys here who gonna be the one who present first. Okay, let me check. Let me have. Wait a second. Okay, I'm going to call Novaldi, please. Novaldi?
Yes.
Novaldi, are you there? Okay. Novaldi, please share your work and then present to us.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Novaldi Ajastriswadi. I'm from Indonesia. I live in Bojonegoro. My birthday is on 5 November. I'm a student. I study at Telkom School Malang. I'm single but live together with family. There are 5 people in my family. They are my father, my mother, my brother, and I. My father is employed and my mother is a housewife. My hobby is playing game. My favorite sport is basketball. In my free time, I also like sleeping. I don't like work. My favorite food is fried noodles. My favorite drink is iced tea. My favorite day of the week is Saturday and Sunday because I'm not going to school. My
Okay.
favorite one is November because it is my birthday. My favorite singer or band is No Stress. I like Habibie and Ainun movie. My favorite place is Bojonegoro. I like it because I burned it here. I like traveling. I have been to Bali. The most beautiful place in my country is my house. I study English because I need. Thank you.
All right. Thank you very much, Novaldi. All right. So it's very nice to know you. Okay. So you like sleeping. I also like sleeping. But here, you said that your favorite day of the week is Saturday and Sunday. Nah, ini jangan lupa karena kamu suka Saturday and Sunday, maka bukan is tapi are.
Yeah,
Yes.
I'm sorry.
Because I'm not going to school. So if you do online learning, you also happy because you don't have to go to school.
Okay.
You stay at home then.
Okay,
Okay.
Ma'am.
And we're gonna have something that we're gonna have to fix it. The first tadi yang saya bilang is itu it should be are. Yang itu my favorite day of the week are. Kemudian another is this one. My favorite place is Bojonegoro. I like it because I was born. Nggak pakai it. I was born there. Because I like it there. Bener tadi tuh. I like
I like it
because
I was born.
Yes, terus nggak pakai it yang belakangnya. Langsung there. Not here but there.
Okay.
Alright. And then I study English because I need it. Ada it-nya ini. I need it.
I need it.
And then go up please.
Okay, Ma'am.
Nah, this one. My father is, kalau di sini employee diawali dengan huruf A, I, U, E, O, the vocal one, berarti di sini not a, it should be an. Kayak misalnya, I eat an apple, karena depannya apple kan A, maka jadinya an. Sama ini employee, I kan, maka di sini my father is an employee. Tadi disebut benar, di sini belum ditulis. My mother is a housewife. Tadi benar, udah bilang padahal.
Yeah.
Lupa nggak ditulis. And then this is the way you have to note is the way you pronounce live ya, bukan life. So ini kan biasanya I'm single but live together, not live together but live together with my family. But everything is already good. It's already perfect also. Thank you very much, Novaldi.
Thank you, Ma'am.
Yeah, you're welcome. Okay, so guys, we are going to do like this. So you're gonna have to learn from your friend mistake. Jadi yang sudah dibetulkan tadi dari teman-temanmu, you're gonna have to note that. So later on, when you have to present it, sudah lumayan benar. Jadi saya harap nanti semakin banyak yang presentasi, sudah semakin bagus hasil kerjaannya, sudah rapi, sudah ada revisi. Yang sudah upload, that will be okay. Bisa diambil uploadnya, kemudian you re-upload it. That will be okay also. All right, now who gonna present after this? We have already Sabrina and Novaldi. Sudah ada yang percaya diri? Ini sudah ada yang mau tampil kah? Come on guys. Itu paling suka saya nggak harus nunjuk gitu. So is anyone want to share?
Me,
the
ma'am.
result of your work? All right, thank you very much, Nadella. All right, Nadella, time is yours. Yes, Nadella. Wina, okay. Dava Anissa, okay. I have already read
Yes,
your
ma'am.
permission. Okay, Nadella. Share your content, please.
Sudah kelihatan.
Still on the way. Di sini masih Nadela is starting to share content gitu. Okay, now I have already seen that. Alright, Nadela.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Nadela Dwi Septa Rahayu. You can call me Dela or Nadela. I'm from Indonesia. I live in Trenggalek. My birthday is on 13 September. I am a student and study at SMK Telkom Malang. I'm single. There are 5 people in my family. There are my father, my mother, my 2 sisters, and I. My father is a entrepreneur and my mother is a housewife. My hobbies is cooking. My favorite sport is badminton. In my free time, I also like to read novel. I don't like catfish. My favorite food is meatball. My favorite drink is ice cream. My favorite day of the week is Saturday because I can spend my time to rest. My favorite month is September because my birth month. My favorite singer is Caleb Jim. I like comedy movie. I like traveling. I have been to many tourist places like beach, garden, and anymore. The most beautiful place in my country is Bali. I'm studying English because I think it's important in the future.
Okay, thank you very much, Nadela. So don't stop sharing first. We are going to revise it. There is some mistype. Ada yang salah-salah ketik kayaknya. So the first is that yang dari atas ini ya, masih yang saya kelihatan ini. They are my father, my mother, my 2 sisters. Jadi karena ada 2 maka sisternya belakangnya ada S-nya. 2 sisters. Kemudian my father is ini jangan lupa tadi kayak si Novaldi. Kalau entrepreneur depannya kan I, berarti E-nya itu ganti N. My father is an entrepreneur and my mother, tadi udah benar si Nadela tadi, my mother is a housewife. Ada is-nya. Nah, hobinya Nadela kan cuma 1, jadi nggak usah dikasih S. My hobby pakai Y biasa. My hobby is cooking. H-O-B-B-Y. Pakai Y. Why? Yes. My favorite sport is badminton. Ini benar-benar semua. Okay, that's perfect. Now it's di atas there are 5 people in my family. 5-nya jangan dikasih TH ya. TH itu untuk urutan atau tanggal. Yang there are 5 people in my family. Yes, without TH. Nggak pakai TH. Kalau yang tanggal benar pakai TH itu yang benar emang. Okay, so this is the way of grammatical things. Nah sekarang buat semua juga, you gonna have to notice when you speak. Sudah boleh ditutup lah.
Thank you,
So
Ma'am.
yes, thank you very much Nadela. And this one is for all of you. So you're gonna have to learn how to pronounce some words. So for example, mostly tadi hampir ada beberapa yang salah. Itu adalah when you say introduce, not introduce, but introduce. So let me introduce myself. And then tadi yang temanmu keliru, tadi yang live. I live, itu jangan lupa. Kemudian the second, itu misalnya my favorite day. Jadi day not die. Die itu mati, kalau day itu hari. Kemudian month, bulan. So January, February, March, April, May, June, July, itu adalah month. Bacanya month. Ada tehnya, month. Kalau misalnya moon, itu bulannya. The real one itu moon. Jadi kayak misalnya the sun and the moon. Gitu. Nah, kalau kita itu kebiasaan, Rek. Ketika kita bilang saya, bahasa Inggrisnya apa? So what is the English of saya? Come on everyone, what is the English of saya? Apa bahasa Inggrisnya saya?
I am.
I am.
I am.
I am.
Nah ini, yes, karena kita terbiasa menggunakan bahasa Inggrisnya saya itu adalah I am. Jadi ketika kamu bilang saya belajar, maka kalian bilangnya adalah I am study. And it's wrong, itu salah ya, Rek ya. Saya makan, I am eat, itu salah. Saya minum, I am drink, itu salah. Kenapa? when you use is-mr, ingat-ingat ya, ketika kamu memakai is-mr, maka yang belakang itu it should be verb ing. That's why tadi kamu di situ nulis, my hobby is cooking, my hobby is playing games, my hobby is swimming. Karena di situ ada kata is, maka verb yang kalian pakai adalah verb ing. Tapi kalau kamu mau bilang saya belajar, itu berarti bukan saya belajar di SMK Telkom, itu kamu nggak bilangnya I am study, but I study at SMK Telkom. Cuman kadang tulisannya udah benar, tapi karena kebiasaan kita itu ngomong saya itu adalah I am, biasanya jadi kelirunya di situ. Alright, so thank you very much for Sabrina, Novaldi, and Nadella. Now, let me have another student. Come on, masih ada sekitar 2 siswa lagi lah, atau 3 siswa lagi to present the result of your work.
Let me, Miss.
All right, thank you. Ravindo. Yes, please. The
So,
time is yours. Hmm?
so let me introduce myself. Hi, my name is Ravindo Dewantara. I'm from Indonesia. I live in Malang. My birthday is on January 28. I study at SMK Telkom Malang. I'm single but live together with my parents. There are 4 people in my family. They are my brother, my father, my mother, and myself. My father is a police officer and my mother is a housewife. My hobby is going to the cinema. My favorite sport is basketball, and in my free time, I also playing some games. I don't like sprouts. My favorite food is chicken. My favorite drink is green tea. My favorite day of the week is Sunday because it's weekend. My favorite month is January because my birthday is on that month. My favorite singer is Tulus. I like action and comedy movies. My favorite place is my home. I like it because I can relax on my home. I like traveling. I have been to Jogja. The most beautiful place in my country is my bedroom. I study English because in my opinion, it's international language.
Alright, so thank you very much. Wah, Ravindo cepet banget kalau ngomong sama kayak saya ini. Okay, that's very nice to know you. Ini ada yang salah, you mistype it. My father is a police officer without N. Kamu pakai N itu kalau ketemunya sama A, I, U, E, O, sama vokal. Jadi kalau sama vocal letter baru pakainya N. Tapi kalau ketemunya sama consonant itu pakai E. Then after that, ada yang salah di situ adalah it's. Nah, my favorite day of the week is Sunday because it's weekend. It's-nya itu maksudnya kan it is weekend. Berarti kurang petik S. Bedakan ya. Jadi itu it should be it. Nah, and also the same with the last. It's international language. Itu juga kurang S. Okay. So only that for the grammatical things, and then this is the way you pronounce. Itu tadi yang keliru itu adalah when you pronounce not January ya, agak biar kelihatan bahasa Inggris itu. So it's January, and then after that not singer but singer. Penyanyi singer, okay? Singer and sing itu benar tulisannya. Only the way you pronounce it aja. And but everything is already good, so it's perfect. Thank you very much, Ravindo. Thank you, Ravindo. Now,
Yes,
who's gonna be the next, please? Who's gonna be the next, please? So maybe 2 more students before we finish the lesson. We still have 9 minutes. Who's gonna do that? Come on, everyone. I only have Sabrina, Novaldi, Nadella, and Ravindo. And how about the other?
Let me, Miss.
All right. Yes, please. Dayang. So the last will be boy, yeah? So after this, please the boy.
Apakah sudah terlihat, Miss?
Belum. Still on the way. Tulisannya masih Dayang is starting to shape. Oh, okay. Now it's already seen by me. Okay, Dayang.
Let me introduce myself. Hi, my name is Dayang Siti Nur Faiza. I'm from Indonesia. I live in Tulungagung. My birthday is on August 9th, 2004. I am a student. I study at SMK Telkom Malang. I am friendly. There in my family, there are my parents, my little brother, and I. My father is an entrepreneur, and my mother is a sailor. My hobby is reading a novel. My favorite sport is jogging. In my free time, I also like watching film. I don't like cat. My favorite food is noodle. My favorite drink is watermelon juice. My favorite day of the week is Saturday because I have a lot of free time. My favorite month is August because I have a special day. My favorite singer is Virgon. I like comedy movie. My favorite place is my bedroom. I like it because I feel comfy. I like traveling. I have been to Yogyakarta, Bali, and Solo. The most beautiful place in my country is Labuan Bajo. I study English because I want to increase my knowledge of English and can speak English fluently.
Okay, so it's perfect. So there is no mistake on the way you pronounce, and also there is no mistake in the grammar. So it's already good. All right, thank you very much, Dayang. Okay. All right, so who's gonna be the last, please? One, who's gonna be the last presenter? Who? Who's gonna be the volunteer? I really didn't want to call your name. Come on. Does anyone want to be the volunteer? Come on, the boy, please. Or maybe the girls, that will be okay. So we are going to have the last presenter after this. Come on, who's gonna present the result of your work? Hello, everyone. Siapa? Okay, come on, guys. No one? Okay, let me choose then. Okay, let me have. Wait a second. Yang sudah. Okay, wait a second ya. I'm going to check your attendance list. Karena saya belum hafal semuanya. Okay, let we have Rajendra, please. Rajendra, are you still there?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
Okay.
Right. Still on the way?
Let me introduce myself. My
Not
name.
yet. Not yet, Rajendra. So still on the way, the screen. Okay. Now it's already seen. Okay, time is
Let
yours
me
now.
introduce myself. Hi, my name is Rajendra Tripadatma. I'm from Indonesia. I live in Malang, Wagir, Gedangan, Kondowangi. My birthday is 18 August. I'm a student. I study at SMK Telkom Malang. I am single. There are 4 people in my family. They are father, mother, brother, and me. My father is a sector employee, and also my mother is sector employee. My hobby is shuffle, listening music, gaming, and making a meme. My favorite sport is sport 5 finger. In my free time, I also making videos. I don't like crowd. My favorite food is soto. My favorite drink is water. My favorite day of the week is Friday because Friday here in Moscow. My favorite month is December because too much discount in my game. My favorite singer. My favorite singer or band is Baon Cikadap, Twice, and Cherry Bell. I like gore and horror movies. My favorite place is my bedroom. I like it because best for thinking. I don't like traveling. I have been to a lonely bedroom. The most beautiful place in my country is my room on mountain. I study English because I learn from game and the movie.
Okay, it seems that you really like game so much. That's why you also play game when doing the task. Jadi gamenya sampai keluar dikabarin sama temennya. So later on when you do something in my class, so please you're gonna have to be focused, not playing games ya. Okay, right now we are going to revise something. So the first step, when you said that there are 4 people in my family, father, mother, brother, and I. Remember, we have already learned about that before. So and not and me, but and I. Okay, and then after that, you have a lot of hobby. So not my hobby, it should be my hobbies. Ada is di situ. My hobbies, kemudian not using is, but you're gonna have use are. And then after that, it's also the same with your favorite singer. So my favorite singer, itu because you have 3 there, so it means that you may not use is, tapi it should be are.
Are.
Okay, so I think only that. So remember the way you pronounce month, and then after that, what's that? Wait a second. A sector employee, shuffle. Okay, sudah benar. Okay, so that's it. So it's already good. Thank you very much, Rajendra. It's already 1:29 also, so I only have 1 more minute. So here, thank you very much for all the presenter today. I have Sabrina, Novaldi, Nadella, Revindo, Dayang, and Rajendra. And after this, Rajendra, you may stop sharing.
Wah, pecahannya opo iki?
Di atas, go up. Di atas itu ada stop sharing. Bubi? Okay, so I only have, time is already up, so I'm going to be fast. Here, the task that you're gonna have to do, so after this is homework. Tadi ada yang nggak suka homework, tadi Novaldi, I'm so sorry, but I have to give you homework today. So this is the homework, so this is the assignment that you're gonna have to do. You are going to make a self-introduction video. Jadi silakan setelah ini, sampai minggu depan. So the due date-nya until Rabu, masih sampai hari Rabu minggu depan, you are going to make self-introduction video. How about the time? There is no limited time. So unlimited, terserah mau bikin 1 menit, 2 menit, 3 menit, bebas. Portrait or landscape, that's up to you. Portrait or landscape are free. Udah terserah mau bikinnya gimana. But the things that you gonna have to be focused is that, so you're gonna have to note that bahwa all the information that you give in your video, minimum it should be all the things that you have already write down in the worksheet. Jadi minimal itu adalah semua yang kamu tuliskan di worksheetmu tadi. If you give me additional information, so it will be better. Itu akan jauh lebih baik. And then the things that you're gonna have to remember is that when you make the video, you are not reading the text. Ingat, you are not reading the text. So you're gonna have to use your own language when you do the self-introduction. Okay? And then if you have already finished making the video, name the file into the same thing like what we have already done. Jadi dikasih namanya number, name, kemudian self-introduction video, ditambah gitu. And then upload in the same place. I'm going to ask one of you, mungkin nanti Dayang, could you please make a folder, silakan bikin folder lagi di link yang tadi saya kasih, ditulis di situ self-introduction video. And all of you here should submit in those folder, okay? Di folder itu. Nanti file name-nya jangan lupa sama kayak yang tadi, hanya saja belakangnya self-introduction video, okay? So is there any question for the task? Is there any question for the task?
Permisi Bu,
No,
Tanifa tulisan hadir Bu. Tadi hasilnya telat Bu.
Oh yeah, okay. After this, I'm going to revise it. Okay, Danny, thank you. Okay, because there is no more questions, it means that you have already understand it. So I think that is enough for today. Thank you very much for participating. Thank you very much for joining my class. And also thank you for the presentation. It was really good presentation for today. And hopefully you are going to be better next. Okay, so thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, you're welcome. Goodbye.
Thank you, ma'am.